Introduction to virtual machines and virtualization. Before diving into the world of virtual machines, let's understand what they are and the concept of virtualization. Virtual machines are isolated software environments that mimic physical computers. They operate on a single physical machine and allow multiple operating systems to run simultaneously. This virtualization technology, facilitated by a hypervisor like VirtualBox, enables greater flexibility, efficiency, and security in computing. Setting up a virtual machine using VirtualBox, a step-by-step guide. Now that we have a basic understanding of virtual machines, let's explore how to set up a virtual machine using VirtualBox. VirtualBox is a widely used open-source hypervisor that offers an intuitive interface and powerful features. Here is a step-by-step guide. Download and install VirtualBox from the official website. Launch VirtualBox and click on New to create a new virtual machine. Follow the prompts to choose the operating system, allocate resources, and set up storage for the virtual machine. Once the virtual machine is created, select it and click on Start to power it on. Install the operating system within the virtual machine, just like you would on a physical computer. With these steps, you can set up your own virtual machine and start exploring various operating systems and applications within a secure and isolated environment. Advantages of using virtual machines. Virtual machines offer several advantages that make them indispensable in the world of IT. Flexibility. Virtual machines allow you to easily switch between different operating systems without the need for separate hardware. Isolation. Virtual machines create a secure environment, preventing changes or infections in one virtual machine from affecting others. Ease of backup and restoration. Virtual machines can be cloned and snapshots can be taken, providing convenient backup options and quick restoration in case of any issues. Efficiency. Virtual machines enable efficient utilization of hardware resources, allowing for better scalability and cost-effectiveness. Virtual machines in professional IT roles. Virtual machines play a crucial role in various professional IT roles such as system administration, hacking, and cloud engineering. System administration. As a system administrator, virtual machines allow you to test and troubleshoot different software configurations without affecting the production environment. Hacking. Virtual machines provide a safe and controlled environment to practice ethical hacking techniques, ensuring that your main system remains secure. Cloud engineering. Virtual machines are the foundation of cloud computing, enabling the creation and management of virtual servers and networks on a large scale. Exploring alternatives to virtual machines, Docker and WSL2. While virtual machines are an excellent tool, alternatives like Docker and WSL2 offer additional possibilities. Docker is a containerization platform that allows you to package applications and their dependencies into lightweight and portable containers. It offers faster startup times and greater scalability compared to traditional virtual machines. WSL2, Windows Subsystem for Linux 2. WSL2 provides a Linux environment within Windows, eliminating the need for a virtual machine. It allows seamless integration between Windows and Linux applications. Learning about virtualization and virtual machines is a prerequisite for exploring these alternatives, as they build upon the concepts and benefits provided by virtual machines. Virtual machines have become an indispensable tool in the IT world, offering countless opportunities for learning, experimentation, and professional growth. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced IT professional, delving into the world of virtual machines will undoubtedly broaden your horizons and unlock the potential of your skills. Ready to embark on a virtual journey? Start by setting up your first virtual machine using VirtualBox, and let the limitless possibilities of virtualization unfold. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple explanations of complex topics.